Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have or figure out the solution on your Wikipedia app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here to looking for Wikipedia app. So just go down to search for Wikipedia up here. So then you click here on Wikipedia app, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.